Activated charcoal powder is known to absorb the dust, dirt and oils from your skin effectively, and that is why we are here to tell you about a face mask that you can prepare with 5 natural ingredients right at home. So watch the video and find out how to prepare it.
To make this charcoal face mask, we need 2 teaspoons charcoal powder, 1 teaspoon rose water, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon honey, and 2 drops of lavender essential oil. Start by adding rose water to the bowl. Rose water is known to balance the skin pH and reduce redness, itchiness and inflammation on the skin. Next, add charcoal powder to the mixing bowl. Charcoal powder is known to absorb oils, dirt and impurities from your skin while reducing chances of breakouts. Next, add honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means that it draws moisture from the surroundings into the skin. Not only that, but it also restores the damaged skin. Next, take some aloe vera gel and add it to the bowl. Aloe vera gel reduces dark circles, pigmentation and blemishes on the skin while soothing irritation and inflammation. And finally, finish the face mask with a few drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender oil treats skin infections while also reducing acne. After you have added all the ingredients, mix everything properly, and once you have a paste with a flowy consistency, your mask will be ready. Now take a face pack brush and apply it all over your face, spreading it evenly. Leave it for about 12 to 15 minutes until the mask dries. Then gently dampen the face with rose water and remove the mask with the help of a wet tissue. You can also simply wash your face with cold water instead of that. This face mask will help you score a clean and pure skin with only a few applications. So try this charcoal face mask for sure. However, if you are allergic to any ingredient present in the mask, you should first consult an expert before going ahead with this DIY. Also, you should start the application of the mask with a patch test on your hands.